This video focuses Introduction to Python String Manipulation by asking ChatGPT Introduction to Python String Manipulation. With examples and code explanations, we can get the basic knowledge of Python string manipulation. In Python, strings are one of the most commonly used data types. They are sequences of characters enclosed in single, double, or triple quotes, or Python provides a variety of methods and operations to manipulate strings. Let's dive into some key concepts and examples of string manipulation. Let's first take a look at example 1. String creation and basic operations. You can create a string using single, double, or triple quotes, or with sequences of characters inside. You can combine two strings using the plus operator. You can multiply a string using the asterisk operator. Next, example, accessing and slicing strings. Strings in Python are indexed, allowing you to access specific characters or slices, substrings, and negative indexing allows you to access characters from the end of the string. Next, example, modifying strings. Since strings are immutable, cannot be changed in place, to modify a string, you create a new one using operations like slicing, or built-in methods. Next, example, string methods. Python has numerous built-in string methods that make manipulation easy. Here are some common ones: lower and upper, convert the string to lowercase or uppercase. Replace, old, new, replace occurrences of a substring with another. Strip, removes leading and trailing white spaces. Split, delimiter, splits the string into a list based on the given delimiter. Join, iterable, joins the elements of an iterable, like a list, into a string. Next, example, string formatting. There are multiple ways to format strings in Python, which makes it easier to combine and present dynamic content. As shown in this example, you should prioritize using f-strings, Python 3.6+, to format string. Of course, you can also continue to use the format method to format strings. Next, example, checking substrings. You can use the in keyword to check whether a substring exists in a string. You can use the find method to find the index of the first occurrence of a substring and return -1 if not found. Next, example, reversing a string. There is no built-in reverse function for strings, but you can reverse a string using slicing. Next, example, escape characters. Special characters in strings, like quotes, new line, or tab, are represented with escape sequences using \. Finally, let's take another look at the main content of this video. Python provides a rich set of tools for manipulating strings, from basic operations like concatenation and slicing to advanced techniques such as formatting and using built-in string methods. String manipulation is essential for tasks like text processing, data cleaning, and web scraping.